Okay, hello Liz, this is Sky and I will show to read you about this device training. Okay, as you can see, this is device look. We have total 4 handle pieces. Okay, total 4 handle pieces. Each of two can work at the same time. Now I insert the 2 handle pieces. Okay, any of two is okay. Then you can see the back side. Okay, this is the back side. So this is a channel, you can have a look, this is a channel 1 and a channel 2, okay, so insert any of two is okay. And you can see here we have two fillers, filler 1 and filler 2, because when doing the treatment, you need to use a membrane, right? You need to use the antifreeze membrane or the cooling gel pads. So maybe we have some liquids into the machine. So this is a fillers function. So maybe after 1 or 3 months, then here we have the liquids in here. So you need to pour it out in times. Okay. So just introduce you this part. Okay. Then we back to the interface. Now we connected the power supply. Then we open it. This is the emergency button. We open it. Okay. As you can see, we have 4 items you need to notice. This is called the basic setting. It's for the language. Right now we choose the English. This is advanced setting. Is used for the device. Sorry, this is blocked by our engineer because sometimes clients will be setting by themselves. Now the device will have some mistakes. So this device was blocked. It's okay. And this is a liquid setting. You can see the water level is 100, right? If the water level is become such as 15, 13, that means you need to add water now. Okay. This is a clean gas pipeline. So this is as I have told you before, the filler 1 and the filler 2 functions. Okay. Yeah. So this is the automatic cleaning gas pipelines, okay. Such as when doing the treatment, the handle pieces will remain a lot of the liquids from the membrane, so you can clean it. Okay, so this is the function of this one. Now we begin to the treatment, okay. As you can see, the 2 handle pieces can work at the same times, right? So now, as you can see, this is the channel 1 and this is the channel 2. And here have 4 items I need to introduce you. This device benefits is when doing the treatment, we have the heating time, we have the warm times. Such as 2 or 3 years ago, our older generation device is always cooling. Don't have the heating time. So such as after 1 hour, always the heating. So the client, we have the risk of the frostball. Now we have the heat time, such as is here as you can see, it's the time of 3 minutes. That means after 3 minutes of heating, then it's the cooling. Okay, so that will be good for the client. We know the risk of the frostball. As you can see, we have the model M1 and M2. We always choose the M1. M1, that means we have the function of heating. So this is the time of the heating. Actually, I always choose 2 is okay. That means it's 2 minutes of the heating. And this is the temperature, okay. From the 45, I always choose 40 is okay. That means the heating time is 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, then will be cooling, and the heating temperature is 40. Okay, so this is this one function, and this is the cooling. Okay, the lowest temperature is -12. Okay. Actually, for the first client, first time treatment, I always recommend starting at 0, such as maybe after 2 or 3 treatment, the client are familiar with this treatment, then maybe you can reduce become -2 or -3. But for the first times, I recommend 0. Okay. Now this is in intensity, that is mean the vacuum. The vacuum is strong or the weak. Okay. So the recommended one is enough. It's okay. This is the working time. Okay. As you can see, for the first treatment, for the client first treatment, I always choose the 30 or 40. Okay. Maybe we can 32 from the start. Okay. Then the client familiar with the treatment, then maybe we can add up. Okay. So the second treatment, maybe you can become 40, right? The third treatment, maybe you can 50, right? Then the first treatment maybe can 1 hour, just like that. Okay. So this is the function. This is the function of the 4 items. Okay. Now then you can see we begin with the channel 1. Start. Okay. Press here. Then you can hear now it's working. You can see this is the pressure. Okay. This is the temperature. Okay. Temperature now is 21. Why is 21? Because here we have set is a heating. Okay. As you can see, now the handle piece is the light is red. When heating time, the light is the red. Okay, red color. As you can feel the handle piece is now is very warm. Okay. Now as you can see, the heating time I said is 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, the handle pieces will become green. Will become green. Then it's the cooling time. Okay, you can see here. Okay, the red color mean that is the heating time. Okay. Now this is the working that is the working versus. Now I press again. That means the status was upload. So it's okay. Now we change it to the another handle pieces. Okay. Now we continue the channel 2. Now you also can see the channel 2 are also working now. It is also heating first. Okay. Actually, if you want this handle pieces heating 3 minutes, you also can adjust it from here. Okay. So now these 2 handle pieces can work at the same time. Okay. I'm sorry. Now just like that. Okay. Then it will be working at the same times. Okay. Always will be like that. Then it can be working at the same times. Sorry, today I didn't bring the membranes. Actually, the real treatment is you need put the membranes on the treatment areas. Okay. Now I put it back. Here also status. Then you can change it to channel 1. Okay. Now you can see the temperatures and the vacuum. Okay. If after 2 minutes, then the temperature will become to 0. As we can see, just wait a minute. Okay. So the operation is very easy. Okay. Okay. Now you can see. It's after 2 minutes. It's become it's the blue light. Okay, it's the blue light. Now you can touch the plate. You can touch the cooling plate. It's very cool now. Okay, you can see the light. Okay, now it's become blue light. Now it's cooling. Okay, it's very cooling. Such as maybe after 2 minutes, it will be have ice on it. Okay. This is the emergency button, such as some dangerous things happen, that then you press here, then everything will stop. Okay, such as now. Pia. Now, emergency button was pressed, so was stopped. Okay, will be like that. If you have anything, if you have any questions, you can contact me. Okay.